Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the right thread and needle so stitching behaves predictably. Heavier fabric needs heavier thread. Wind a bobbin smoothly and install it next, because an uneven bobbin causes knots. Once done, raise the presser foot to release tension. Make sure the thread seats between the tension discs. Thread the machine from spool to needle following guides and hook the thread into the K-cup lever. This controls fabric feed and stitch formation. You now focus on the detailed top thread path because this is where tension and stitch quality are set. Guide the thread through each numbered guide, then up into the K-cup lever. This converts bobbin motion into a lock stitch. Make sure you thread the needle in the direction your machine requires. Many models expect front to back to prevent skipped stitches. Once threaded, draw up the bobbin thread by turning the hand wheel toward you. Pull both threads under the presser foot, leaving a few inches to start sewing. You're ready to sew. Test on a fabric scrap to confirm stitch balance and length. If stitches pull unevenly, adjust the tension dial slightly because large changes create new problems. If thread breaks, stop, check the needle, rethread both upper and bobbin threads, and verify the spool pin turns freely. For skipped stitches, switch to a fresh needle of the correct type and size. Finally, clean lint from the feed and bobbin area regularly to prevent persistent tension issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.